Last time we caught up with you guys, we were doing an oil change on this bike, kind of taking you through the service. Today is our very last ride on this motorcycle. So remember, 1 week away, guys. Make sure you get your tickets and enjoy the ride. What a machine! Oh man, it doesn't get much better than running down the road on a 1948 Harley-Davidson Panhead. Guys, you can win this thing. It's coming up November 20th. It's going to be here before you know it. We're going to be seeing a brand new owner ride this thing home. Just 7 days away, guys. Make sure you get your tickets today. This is your last chance. Big day's coming up fast. We'll see you soon.